These are the report from the Russian Ministry of Defense on the status of the special military operation in Ukraine on September 8, 2022. The armed forces of Ukraine, units that serve as the attack group's core, suffered significant losses. Hence, Ukrainian forces haven't conducted any offensive action in Nikolaev-Kryvyi direction. Russian missile units, artillery, and aerospace forces continue to launch pinpoint attacks at armed forces of Ukrainian units to reserve forces in indicated direction. The 63rd Mechanized Brigade of Armed Forces of Ukraine command post near Beresnovotoye, Nikolaev region, the 46th Air Mobile, 57th Mechanized Infantry, and 28th Mechanized Brigades of the Armed Forces of Manpower and Military Hardware near Sukhoi Stavok, Petrovskoye, Plotinskoye Landmark, Kherson region, Murakovka, and Ternivyo Podi or Nikolaev region. Near Murakovka, 1 munition dumps have been destroyed in Nikolaev region. The Ukrainian Air Force's Su-25 was downed by the Russian Aerospace Forces fighter aircraft near Konstantinovka, Nikolaev region. Due to the heavy casualties brought on, Russian armed forces concentrated fire attacks on the 59th Mechanized Infantry Brigade of Armed Forces of Ukrainian position in the vicinity of Ukraine, Zilvonige, and the Novogrivoryevka, Nikolaev region. Ukrainian servicemen refused to carry down their combat duties and started withdrawing the rear areas. Over the past 24 hours, the enemy has lost a total of 2 tanks, 6 infantry combat vehicles, 5 additional armored vehicles, 7 pickup trucks with large caliber machine guns, and more than 170 service members in the direction of Nikolaev-Kryvyi Rih. The 95th Air Assault Brigade and 51st Air Mobile Brigades temporarily sites in Slavyansk and Kramatorsk, respectively, have been neutralized by high-precision attacks by the Russian Aerospace Forces Donetsk People Republic. More than 120 Ukrainian personnel have been killed, along with the 15 armored and motorized vehicles. Operational, tactical, and army aircraft, missile units, and artillery continue to target Ukrainian military installation. 5 armed forces of Ukrainian command posts, including those of 72nd Mechanized and 58th and 53rd Mechanized Infantry Brigade, close to Zerzink, Soledar, and Artemovsk, Donetsk People Republic. The 1st Tank Brigade, close to Novo-Nikolaevka, Zaporozhye region, 51 artillery units, and 167 armed forces of Ukrainian manpower and military equipment concentration areas. Near Trulevoye, Zaporozhye region, Kukakovo, Konstantinovka, Saveks, Donetsk People Republic, and Balakeya, 5 missiles, artillery, and munition depots have been destroyed, Kharkov region. Additionally, 1 BUK air defense missile system launcher near Belaya Krinista, Nikolaev area, as well as 1 air target detection and track radar close to Molykanievka have been destroyed, Dnipropetrovsk region. 13 unmanned aerial vehicles were shot down by the Russian Aerospace Forces in defense system near Chernopolosovka, Osheretovatoye, and Alexandrovka, Zaporozhye region, Vladimirovka, Mandrikino railway station, Kirilovka, and Novoandrievka, Donetsk People Republic, Lubimivka, Kreshonovka, Kirovo, and Tomika Balka, Kherson region, alias Kherson region. Near Novaya Kakhovka, Molodovosnoye Kherson area, Novosinovo, Kurshevka, Kharkov region, and 3 rockets-propelled projectiles launched by Olka multiple rocket launcher system near Artomovka, 19 multiple rocket launcher system projectiles, including 16 launched by the HIMARS, have been intercepted in Kherson region. Total destruction during the special military operation included 293 aircraft and 152 helicopters, 1,910 manned aerial vehicles, 374 air defense missile systems, 4,863 armored combat vehicles, 826 combat vehicles with multiple rocket launcher systems, 3,369 field artillery cannons and mortars, and 5,387 units of the special military equipment. On the other side, the latest updated Ukrainian Authority also report the Russian significant losses of the military hardware. There are 2,112 tanks, 210 helicopters, 239 military jets and air defense system, 3,344 vehicles, 305 multiple rocket launcher system, 884 unmanned aerial vehicles, and 214 cruise missiles.